The All India Media Mahakumbh organized by Rashtriya Patrakar Mahasangha was held at Vishwanath Prasad Mahavidyalaya, Muradganj, Kaushambi, bringing together distinguished editors, chief editors, and journalists from across the nation. Chief guest Professor Dr. Rita Bahuguna Joshi, former BJP MP and minister, was warmly welcomed and honored by Dr. Pavitra Mohan Samantarai, National President of Rashtriya Patrakar Mahasangha, with a turban, shawl and memento. The event was also graced by former BJP MP Vinod Sarkar and former MLA Sanjay Gupta. Joshi inaugurated the program by lighting the ceremonial lamp, emphasizing the digital transformation of journalism and the digitalization of this year's Prayagraj Mahakumbh. She commended the Rashtriya Patrakar Mahasangha for its efforts in strengthening the media's role. As a mark of respect to all editors, chief editors and founder members were felicitated. Special recognition was given to Muhammad Ishtiaq, Uttar Pradesh convener and program advisor, for his dedicated efforts. Binod Sonkar praised the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and CM Yogi Adityanath, highlighting the smooth and successful organization of Mahakumbh 2025. Dr. Gopal Bandhu Mallik, IPS, former additional DGP, Odisha Chairman, Odisha Human Rights Clinic, Shri Shiv Mohan Maurya, President Prayagraj Division Cooperative Bank, Mr. Arun Goel, Chairman, IFSMN, New Delhi, Municipal Council Presidents Birendra Kumar Fauji and Kavita Pasi also lauded the event as a commendable initiative during this historic gathering. The Media Mahakumbh celebrated journalism's pivotal role in preserving India's cultural and democratic values. With such an inspiring congregation, Media Mahakumbh 2025 will be remembered as a landmark event in the world of journalism. The meeting was coordinated by Mr. B.S. Deshpande, AIMM Chief Convener, Mr. Virendra Saini, AIMM Convener and President, Delhi NCR. IFSMN founder members Mr. Shiva Prakash, Mr. K. Sanjeev Mehkat Khan, Chand Gopinath Sahu, Himanshu Upadhyay, Jitendra Singh, Kamlesh Sahu, Manoj Goel, Manoj Koshwani, Niraj Mansoor, Priyabrat Nyal, Abdul Ahmad, Sarad Behra, Sabri Alam, Sanwaj Akhtar, Shanti Gautam, Tablij Ahmed, Dahir Ahmed, Bikash Gautam, Abid Hussain, Muhammad Abid, Dr. Shashi Bhushan Kumar and Muhammad Naseem Muhammad Naseem Muhammad Shahrukh, Abdul Qadir, Ajay Kumar Chaudhary, Ali Ahmad, Aman Narayan, Swami Asgar Ali Bakar Hussain, Bashab Gowda, Deepik Kumar Sahu, Tahir Ahmed, Priyaranjan Kar among hindered journalists facilitated. Many more were also facilitated. Delegates were facilitated and given certificates of participation. Mrs. K.D. Mishra, AIMM co-convener and UP State Coordinator Mr. Ishtiaq Ahmed gave vote of thanks. The program was anchored by Ms. Anksha.
You know, it's a critical society. Security के लिए it's a big issue. और अगर जैसे मैंने एड्रेस किया AI के ऊपर ही कोच है on the 10th or 10th, and he very clearly said that all the nations have to come together. अगर पूरा विश्व AI को समझने के लिए, उसको रेगुलेट करने के लिए, उसके कंटेंट को एक बार हमारे ऊपर रिस्पांसिबिलिटी होनी चाहिए कि हम AI को कैसे यूज करेंगे। फर्स्ट वुमन कमला बहुगुणा, फिर मेरी माँ फूलपुर से सांसद भी हुई, गांधीवादी थी। मैंने अपने माता पिता को रिश्ते देखा और मैं कह सकती हूँ भले मैंने हम लोगों का समय बदल गया, मैं 21वीं सदी में हूँ, लेकिन आज भी मैं उनके आदर्शों को साथ लेकर चलती हूँ। यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ इलाहाबाद हिस्ट्री में डिपार्टमेंट में 30 साल मैंने प्राध्यापन का काम किया है। इलाहाबाद
वहाँ की बात करके आप लोगों का पूरा कार्यक्रम वहाँ कराएं संगम वाला। आगे किसी मैडम अच्छा से जानती हैं, बगल में है संदीपन घाट है और उसके अलावा संगम का ही एक ये भी नदी है, पार्ट है कंबोडिया मंदिर है वो, और दूसरी चीज़ यहाँ मैडम जी के गांव के पास में एक मंदिर पड़ता है, नहीं वो नहीं, कृपालू जी महाराज।
Prayagraj Bureau, Kalinga Chronicle TV.